Hello dear friends and channel guests. Ready to crochet the cutest giraffe without endless sewing? The full video tutorial is available on my main channel Tatiana Knit. The link is in the profile description, below this video and also in the pinned comment. Although the tutorial is in Russian, high quality subtitles are available in over 36 languages including English, making it acceptable to crocheters worldwide. You will learn how to crochet all the individual parts of the giraffe. The simple technique for creating a studio wire frame for posing. Learn how to make a toy special thanks to embroidery. Efficient methods for attaching the necessary small details. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, this tutorial offers clear and easy to follow instructions. Grab your hook and let's bring this cute giraffe to life together. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments on the main channel and I will definitely answer you. See you in the new videos. Bye bye.